Attention. What is attention? The act or the power of fixing the mind on something. Careful listening or paying attention to what happens next. Why is attention important? We are limited in our capacity to process information. Therefore, we need to be able to focus on information that will help us reach our goals. Types of attention. There are several types of attention that you use during the course of your daily activities. The type of attention you use will vary depending on your need and circumstance. Does the task need your undivided attention? Do you need to concentrate on one thing while ignoring other things that may be going on at the same time? Do you have to do all activities at the same time? Depending on your needs and circumstances, you may employ one of the following 4 types of attention. Alternating attention is the ability to switch your focus back and forth between tasks that require different cognitive demands. Processing some of the information will probably cause you to miss other information. Divided attention. It's the ability to process 2 or more responses or react to 2 or more different demands simultaneously. Divided attention is often referred to as multitasking. Processing some of the information will probably cause you to miss other information. Selective attention is the ability to select from many factors or stimuli and to focus on only the one that you want while filtering out other distractions. Processing some of the information will probably cause you to miss other information. Sustained attention is the ability to focus on one specific task for a continuous amount of time without being distracted. Sustained attention is probably what you think of when you hear the words attention, focus, concentration, or vigilance. Examples of sustained attention may include listening to a lecture, reading a book, playing a video game, or fixing a car. It may be challenging to maintain this type of attention for a significant amount of time without becoming distracted. Therefore, your level of sustained attention will often vary. You may be intensely focused for 1 minute, and then your attention may begin to lapse. However, a key aspect of sustained attention is the ability to focus on a task after a distraction arises. Learn to ignore the distraction in the room.